In this video, I'm going to show you a way to maximize your bedroom storage when you do not have enough space. As most of you guys know, I had to make some quick life changes as a result of my divorce and moved in with a buddy. At the time, the only space available was in the basement. I did not have a room or a closet to put the few belongings that I was able to fit in my car. Since I also did not have my dresser with me, this was the setup that I came up with to help me organize my clothes in a way that was useful. To make this exact project, there are a few things that you are going to need to get. First, you will need to get an 8-cube storage organizer, which I purchased from Walmart for $68. After that, you will make a trip to Home Depot to buy the rest of the materials. All of the materials that I used for this project with links will be listed in the description below for easy access. You will need to buy 3 10-foot by 3/4 inch EMT conduit, 1 pack of 3/4 inch EMT set screw connectors, which come in a 5-pack, 1 pack of 3/4 inch electrical metallic tube, 2 hole straps, which come in a 4-pack, 2 3/4 inch EMT rigid pull elbows, 2 6 by 6 inch 14 gauge L straps for bracing, and a box of 1 1/4 inch screws. I chose to purchase a 1-pound box because it's always good to have some drywall screws around for things such as pictures. The first step is to assemble the corners like in this picture. So after you assemble your corner bracket, what I did was I took off the lock nuts on this bracket so that it's nice and tight and I can line up the screws nice and even. But the next step for us to do is to cut the vertical pieces. Mine is going to be 82 inches tall because I have a heating duct above where it's going to be sitting. But one thing you need to focus on is the fact that once you attach this to the top of your pole, it's going to be about 1.5 inches taller. So what you need to do is you need to attach it on just as a standby, then take your measurement. So what I did for the second vertical piece was I matched up the pole side by side and made a mark. That way the cuts would be even. Next, you will want to permanently attach the corner pieces to the vertical poles, then bring everything inside. To help support the weight of the clothes, we must add some support to the base. For this, we are going to use the 6 by 6 inch L straps on the top of the corners. If more support is needed, you can also add L straps to the bottom corners. This was not needed for my setup though. I followed up by measuring how far off the wall I will need to mount the clothing rod so that my clothes will hang normal. This ended up being 10 inches from the back wall to the center of the vertical poles. I then made 2 marks on the top and bottom of the side pieces. This was so that I can ensure that my vertical poles were level before attaching the 2 hole straps. I followed this up by taking an internal measurement on top of the 8-cube organizer to get my cross tube measurement. Then I subtracted the 1.5 inch distance on each end for the adapters. My final cut was 55 inches. I have since moved into a new house and I continue to use this setup. I have also added 6 storage bins to hide my clothes a little bit better. This is, however, a personal preference. On a side note, I designed this setup with the ability of adding 4 more storage bins to the top of the organizer, giving you a total of 12 bins plus nearly 5 feet of space to hang your clothes. I hope that this video gave you some ideas for your own personal storage projects. If any of this video helped you out, please hit the like button and comment down below what it was. This will help me to produce better videos for you guys in the future. Subscribe to my channel to see other helpful videos. Thanks for watching.